race track racing my 5-year-old. Hey, bro, you better get back on. You're about to get lapped. Oh, here comes one. You got some laps to make up, bro. Yellow flag. Yellow flag. Your dad's new name is Goober.
Yeah, he's laughing.
He grabs towards us. I think the bike go like this and then do the split.
Oh, no!
You done? Move, get up track, get up track. Hey, get ball. Hold it, ball, hold it.